Hello YouTube, it's a rainy day, so I'm stuck inside. I've got more parts for the car. I have rear struts. We determined we needed some new brake pads on the front. We still got to do the ball joints. We do have them in stock now. Oh, what else? Oh, we got new sway bar links. They're just the bolts, the one I had in the video. So I got the sway bar parts, and I got better ones. I got the $11 ones instead of the $8 ones because I want a quality part, bolt and rubber. I don't, the other cheap ones are just too cheap. Okay, you're looking at this, wonder what this is. This is a rod out of the front strut, okay? I wasn't going to show how I disassembled it because it's kind of dangerous getting the compression of the coil spring apart and cutting the thing apart. And there's oil in there, that's flammable. So we're not going to show you that and be liable. We're just going to show you what we got out of it. This is about 14 inches long total, about 12 inches usable. This spot was, right here was spot welded, like a metal collar in there. So I cut it and made a nick on it, see that nick? And I did take some 150 sandpaper here. Kind of went over it. What can I make out of this? I really don't need a punch this big. Pretty nice punch though, huh? If you saw this off, you kind of round it over on the grinder and make like a ball peen hammer head back here than a regular head. And it doesn't matter if it doesn't turn out perfect. Some of this stuff will buff off. I wonder if it was heat, you know, like the smoke. Say they welded like this and all that heat and smoke rolled up. And it's hefty. And I don't know what they call this. I call it like chrome moly shafting or whatever. When you get to the real heavy duty, y'all seen that spike I made out of a car shock absorber that's on my walking stick, but 7/8 diameter. I want your comments. What should I do? Should I make a big long punch, which will take a long time, or make a couple nice hammer heads? Because the handle could be just whatever mild steel. It would have to be welded. I'm pretty sure that's going to take some welding, and I am not going to try to drill this stuff. You'd have to heat it, take the temper out. So, let's pause a second. I got some noise in the background. Okay, we're back. That was my scanner going on the ambulance call. We don't need to put anybody's names or personal stuff out there on the airways. It's considered broadcasting radio or whatever. All that other FCC mixed with YouTube rules. What should I do? Should I saw this off and just leave this like a tapered head for a hammer? I know it's hard to describe in words, but hammerhead is probably going to be, should I make some hammerheads out of it or a big old long punch I don't need? You know, of course you could taper this down here, end up coming down to this size. I just don't need one, but I'll take some pictures of each end, some close-ups. We'll let you decide. We're not in a big hurry to do this. We don't know what diameter the back ones are, if we even want to attempt that, because this is a lot of work, and it started raining, had to come back inside, so it took over an hour to get this disassembled and get what I wanted. So, thanks for watching. Always look forward to viewer input and see what you think. I'm voting for hammerheads. Because you can get quite a few out of here. I mean, you got a foot. If they're 3-inch hammerhead, you can get 4 of them. So, thanks for watching.